OpenAI just released their new GPT model, GPT4o or GPT4 Omni. Now, this has a lot of additional functionality, but what I'm most excited about is it's supposed to be faster and it's supposed to be half the price of the latest state-of-the-art GPT4. So I'm going to give it a whirl with a financial use case. So I have some data here that I want to clean. This is SEC filings and these are all the labels for them, and to clean that up manually would take me a long time. So I'm just going to copy these. I'm going to paste in the labels here, and I'm providing the system with a prompt. I'm telling it it's an expert in data cleaning, helping to clean financial data for human consumption, giving it some context about the labels, why they were provided to the SEC, and to change the label to user-friendly text while retaining the meaning and formal financial language. And then some format advice on limiting to 40 characters and telling it I need to paste back to Google Sheets. So I'm going to compare this GPT-4o to GPT-4. The labels are in here, so let's run this and see how it does. So we can already see that GPT-4o is extremely fast. It's much faster than GPT-4. So both models are finished now. GPT-4o took about half the time as GPT-4 and obviously cost half the price. I'm just going to paste these in, and the cleaned name of my labels is looking pretty good. So I'm pretty impressed with this model so far, and this is going to become more impressive when the desktop app comes out. Hope you found that useful. Follow for more.